सो व्हाट इज इम्पोर्टेंट, द रीजन क्यों मैंने ये टॉक ऑर्गेनाइज किया इज दैट कोविड के बारे में लोगों में खौफ है, उसके साथ साथ टाइप 1 होने के बावजूद के साथ साथ हम कैसे कोविड को मैनेज करेंगे उसके बारे में भी एंटिसिपेशन है, डर है, पता नहीं है। दो बढ़िया एग्जाम्पल है कि घर पे कैसे मैनेज किए। एक तीसरा सबसे अच्छा एग्जाम्पल आया कि जिसको हॉस्पिटल में जाना पड़ा और उसने कैसे मैनेज किया विदाउट हैविंग मेडिकल हेल्प। तो ये सब के इसमें आपका डायबिटीज के बारे में जो नॉलेज है, आप जिस तरह से सीखे हैं, राइट, उसमें जेडीएफ जिस तरह से टीचिंग इम्पार्ट करता है उसमें कौन सी एस्पेक्ट आपको हैंडी आई कि ऑब्जेक्टिव बीइंग कि हमारे और बच्चे हैं ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड जो डायबिटीज से साथ रह रहे हैं, उनको भी उसके बारे में जानकारी मिले। सचिन, आप क्या बताओगे?
मैं ऑलमोस्ट 10 to 15 मिनिमम 15 कैंप्स मैंने अटेंड किया है 30 इयर्स में। जेडीएफ में जो 3 डे कैंप होता है, विंटर कैंप जो जेडीएफ में होता है, तो मैंने ऑलमोस्ट 15 कैंप्स अटेंड किया है। तो वहाँ से मुझे काफ़ी नॉलेज मिला है और आज भी मिलता है। बेसिकली अभी भी मैं जब अटेंड करता हूँ तो मुझे कुछ ना कुछ नया सीखने मिलता है, और उसके अलावा कुछ चीज़ें जो हम भूल जाते हैं तो उसको भी हम लोग रिवाइव करते जाते हैं हमेशा कैंप को अटेम्प्ट करना। तो मेरा एक प्लस पॉइंट, मुझे ऐसा लगता है प्लस पॉइंट जेडीएफ का जो विंटर कैंप होता है एवरी ईयर, दैट इज अ मस्ट बेसिकली। एंड जेडीएफ में मैंने ऑलमोस्ट 30 मतलब ऑलमोस्ट ये 30 साल निकाले हैं मेरे लाइफ के। तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आई ओन टू जेडीएफ फॉर दिस थिंग।
तो वहां
एंड
का
इवन माई
टीचिंग, वहां का
टीचिंग,
सिखाना और रहना।
हाँ, and we have colleagues also over there, so they even their situation helps us to learn new
So the
things
social
basically.
connect that you get in JDF as well
Yeah,
as the education जो आपको वहां से मिलता है, that helped you. Am I right?
that helped me. Yeah, that helps
Absolutely.
me.
Raj?
सेम वे सर, जैसे विंटर कैंप्स में हमें सिखाया जाता है, समर कैंप्स में सिखाया जाता है, एवरी मंथ जो हमारा रूटीन चेकअप होता है जेडीएफ में, तो वो हमें काफी हेल्प करता है कि सपोज आपका अगर आप सिक डे में शुगर हाई भी है तो आप उसे कैसे मैनेज करोगे। सिक डे के बिना भी आपका शुगर हाई है, तो पहले मेरा ऐसा होता था कि शुगर 240 है, सो आई वाज गो मैड कि कैसे आ गया, क्यों आई वाज वेरी फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग फॉर मी। बट अगर अब सपोज 240 है भी तो मुझे पता है कि उसका क्या रीजन है, मुझे उसे कैसे ट्रीट करना है, और उसकी वजह से हमें काफी हेल्प होती है।
Absolutely. So the way of managing diabetes and the approach. So there's a lot of
एग्जैक्टली
approach, mental change help करता है जो आपको JDF के साथ में भी लोगों के साथ interact करके आपको उसका फायदा हुआ है. And
बहुत
I'm
सर,
sure
और
many
प्लस
like us.
डाइट,
I'm sorry.
डाइट भी, और डाइट भी मतलब जेडीएफ में हमें सिखाया जाता है कि क्या चीजें अच्छी है। जनरली लोगों को कैसा है ना सर, एक मेंटालिटी होती है डायबिटीज का, हम कह रहे हैं आपकी लाइफ बहुत बोरिंग है, आप ये नहीं खा सकते, वो नहीं खा सकते, बट हम उनसे बेटर, उनसे हेल्दी और उनसे टेस्टी मील्स लेते हैं
और आप उनसे
और
बेहतर उस
स्टिल उन
सिचुएशन में से बाहर भी तो निकले.
एग्जैक्टली
Right. Babita, in your case, it has been a life change. You have diabetes. You just had a child, 9 months old child. Yeah. So many changes in life that you have gone through, and a new situation like this. Where did, rather, how did learnings from JDF that you have been learning help you sail through these things? Rather, what way?
Unfortunately, I did not attend as many camps like them. But
Of
yes,
course.
yeah, the WhatsApp group that we have, and there have been so many advices, and you see, you get a different sort of motivation when you see people, posting their sugars and doing their activities so normally. And during this 9 months of pregnancy and being in touch with Cheryl, has made me realize what ultimately suits my body and what does not. Like, all these
Right.
years I have been unaware that poha really gives me a spike of 250, which I realized only in my pregnancy. So I used to monitor myself 10 to 15 times despite having a CGMS, just to know, what is suiting me and what not. So that 9
Absolutely.
months of having in touch with you, Anushri, and Cheryl has made me realize what suits my body and what not. So that
Yes.
really helped me that that protein diet will not cause anything wrong in my body, and plus 7 years was just giving you high protein diet only.
Good.
So yeah.
Yes. So what helped is maybe knowledge, empowering ourselves, and the social connect. that helps you get information from others' experience, and that helps you manage yourself better, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right.
True.
So this is the whole objective of JDF, and the whole objective of today's talk is that from the talk of with the three of you, many more, because Corona is going to here to stay for a while, yeah, and we hope that as less as possible people get infected. But if you land up in a situation taking basic precautions and managing your sugars like frequent checking, I think what is important is that Babita, you never got a chance to carry ketones.
No, I did
Of
not.
course
Yeah.
not, because the situation came to you all of a sudden,
Yeah.
and you both were home quarantine, so you could manage find your ketones, check them. What would be
True.
important to learn is to keep your insulin kit, yeah, with your strips, with your ketone test strips, spare strips, pen fills, vials extra, and in our pump cases, batteries,
Yes.
and your disposables. If we have to keep a kit like this handy, yeah, because Corona or if a situation like this comes, you don't have to run around, but your kit is ready and you can take it with you wherever you are. And I think the
One thing
ketones,
I would want to share is, like, before my test, was about to come. Like, the day you test it and the next day is the report. So your mind is constantly working, like what next, what next. So I, at that night, made a to-do list of what I have to do and carry. I missed the ketones part, obviously. But, keeping like being on pump, anything can happen with your pump. You have to take a pen extra with you. So that to-do list really helped me at that moment, So I
absolutely.
would ask everybody, because this is something which comes uninvited. You just need to keep your to-do list ready, That is
So,
only going to save you.
Babita, why don't you put down the to-do list that you used to in the Pumpers group or in the JDF group? This is what I made as a to-do list in case I have to be quarantined in a hospital. And in
Yeah,
that, put an asterisk mark that I forgot acetone, ketone strips. So that further gets added. So our to-do list is ready for our other prospective candidates to keep it handy.
I had carried one that rose bottle also with me in case if I land up in hypos, so I can instantly make that sugar syrup and have it, because hospitals really do not give you such facilities. And
Absolutely.
so this to-do list really helped me. I'll always share it on the
In
group
that to-do
story.
list, as you talk about all the medications you need to carry, you need
Yeah,
to carry your hypo kit, hypo treatment kit, and as well as add a snack,
right.
because you
Yeah,
might take care of your hypo if there is no
yeah,
food with you, maybe a small pack of biscuits, because that is the only thing
yeah.
that can easily be stored without getting spoiled, or maybe dry fruits. So
True.
your kit should have everything, and I think it will be great if you can put it together and share it on our JDF WhatsApp group, so
I will do
that
that.
others can keep that in their mind. The to-do list and the carry kit in case you have to be isolated or quarantined with COVID and type 1 diabetes, isn't it?
Yes.
And we can keep that options of adding more things open to all, so that our JDF manual along with the other kits of sick day management, we have a COVID kit as well.
Right.
Lovely. It was great talking to all of you. Thank you so much for sparing the time.